We're about to do a cold start. Bro, y'all will not believe the amount of gas price I'm putting at right now, bro. This is E85. E85 is usually cheaper than gas, which it is. But bro, look, this is how high gases are right now, bro. E85 is now $4.2, bro. That is gas prices literally like 6 months ago. Literally. Or maybe like a year, maybe I'm exaggerating, but 4.2 for E85, that's absolutely insane. That is crazy, man. Holy crap. I need to move to the middle states. I heard y'all got hella E85, bro. Send some over, come on. But it was like a corner roundabout, couldn't risk it, bruh. Y'all already know they should be slipping one day to another, and we don't know what happens, bro. Oh, damn! Oh, bro, can y'all hear that? That is crazy. Damn, that thing's loud. I put my windows down because I don't even know what's the point of having tint, because like, it's supposed to protect the sun, but I hate having them up because if a cop sees me, he's most likely gonna pull me over, and like, I don't want him to give him a reason to pull me over, so I usually have them down. So like, there's really no point for my tint besides look for pictures. Like, there just really isn't. It's kind of sad, you know. Every time I drive, I have to be on the lookout for cops. I can never drive 100% fully in peace. I always got to be on the lookout for CHPs and shit like that. It sucks, but I mean, it's what I'll take. I live here, I can't do anything about it, and you know, I'll try my best to avoid any situations with you know, police enforcement. Damn, that mother freaker is loud right now. I wasn't saying anything, I was just trying to focus, trying to film, and this is just loud. Did I just run over a body? What the hell was that bump? Now we're heading to the photography station. We're about to take some pics here. I've never been here, so it's my first time. Woo! Damn, bro. Shazza. Driving this is, woo, dude, it's fun, bro. Like, do not get me wrong, it's so fun. But just for curiosity's sake, I actually want to get this G35 to 600 horsepower. I think 600 wheel would beat the golden spot. Like, at that point, you're competing with most exotics. I think it's really fun. And honestly, bro, like, I think 600 is a golden spot. 400 is no slouch, bro. It feels hella fun, bro. But I think 600 is the goal. Obviously, we're gonna need to rebuild the motor, but I think we can get it done. And if you want to start beating exotics, I think that's 800 horsepower territory. You saw Fresh Kicks, he had his 800 wheel 350Z, and boy was terrorizing everybody. Boosted, non-boosted, the guy was hauling ass. But yeah, I I think 800 is the territory to beat most exotics. 600 is to compete with them and beat most of the street cars out there, if not, yeah, like most of them. And I think 400 right now is strictly a super fun street car, a super fun. Like, it's really, really fun. Dude, it sounds so sick, bro. You hear that shit? Sounds like freaking bass, bro. Like, once you let off, it goes like... All right, guys, we did a carbon fiber repair on a radiator. Check that out.
I'm so scared.
I had a fat asshole, and we did some carbon fiber repairs. Let's see if it holds up.
Send it, bro.
Send it, Tina. Oh, what? That shit is sick. And that's how Dragon's Breath was born.